Morning, kiddos. What I want to do on this video is to go over a few of the types of problems that some of you emailed me about. Now, I cannot go over specific ones that you had because the work that you did yesterday from Class Zone, it changes the questions. So, Ashton Gray may not have had the same questions as Tanner. So I've picked just certain ones, and I picked one out of your book. Anyway, just to clarify how to do it. And then once we get signed up for Works, which hopefully you are working on doing that for your assignment today, I will give you more of these types of problems along with other things that you've done for me so far. So hopefully this will help you a little bit. So this was the type of problem that you had on Class Zone. And you see you have the right angle, and you see you have the x. And then you have A and B, and then up to the side it tells you what the measure of angle A is and the measure of angle B. Okay, keep in mind it's a quadrilateral, four-sided figure, so that means that all the angles add up to 360. So your first step should have been to say all the angles with plus in between or whatever sign they're giving you. Hold on, it's not writing. Here we go. Okay, so I'm going to start with A up there. So A is 73. And then I'm going to come down and get the right angle, which is 90. And then I'm going to go to angle B. Angle B is 3x minus 75. And then I'm going to go to the x. Set it all equal to 360. Now you combine your like terms. 3x plus x is 4x. 73, 90, minus 75. Now to put that in, you put it exactly like you see. You are using your calculators on this, so you would say 73 plus 90 minus 75. And if I did it correctly, that's 88 equals 360. Now you're ready to solve. So remember now minus the 88. Since it was plus 88, you take the opposite. 360 minus 88 is 272. And then hopefully down here, the last step would be to divide by the 4. And you get 68. So x equals 68. You can pause this, look at it a little closer. You can watch these videos over and over again. Okay, moving on. Okay, here we have, I'm going to start with the 2x plus 18 at the top. 2x plus 18, then coming around and getting the next x, then coming to the bottom and getting 2x plus 18, and going to the left and getting the other x. Equals 360 is still a quadrilateral. Add your like terms, all the x's, so a 2 plus a 1 plus a 2 plus a 1. So that's 6x, and then you have 18 and 18. To go together, which would be 36. Subtract the 36. 360 minus 36 is 324. Squeezing it in down here. That's now equal to just 6x. Your final step would be to divide by the 6, and x equals 54. Okay, once again, you can pause it if you need to. Okay, on this page, you see I did two different shapes because I want you to keep in mind that they're worked very similarly with just one difference, and that difference is what they add up to. The one on the left, the triangle, it's a triangle. The sum of the angles of a triangle add up to 180. So I would say 42 plus x plus 2x equals 180. And then I would go from there to solve that one. The one on the right is a quadrilateral, so instead of adding up to 180, they add up to 360. So I would do the 88 plus the 90 plus the 2x plus 1 plus the x, ran out of room, equals 360. And then you would combine your like terms for each and solve. I'm not going to do that part for you. It would be just like what we did on the other pages. But I did want to remind you of the difference because I will give you both types on the work that I have you do. that will be due tomorrow. Okay, send me a note, email, whatever if you have any other questions. Check your assignment. Make sure you do everything you need to do for me today. All right, thank you. Talk to you later. Bye.